finally here, the big 5-0, and for the 50th episode, we're going to do something a little extra special. So today, we're going to be making my ultimate steak burger. Yep, out of real steak. So stay tuned. Okay, so when most people think hamburgers, they think buying ground meat. Is that a bad way to go? No. Is it the best way to go? No. No, it's not. Also, no. To make the ultimate steak burger, we need to think fresh. And that means we gotta make our own mince. Yes. Out of actual steak. Mind blown. Okay, so the first two things we need to do, we need to make a mushroom ketchup and a Gorgonzola butter. Now the mushroom ketchup is what's going to be replacing our condiments, and it's going to give the burger a nice umami flavor, which is going to give it a nice earthiness, which is going to just make it dynamite. The other thing we want to do is we want to baste our burger and our bun in a Gorgonzola flavored butter. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. It's super simple. You'll love it. Love it. Alright, so let's take a minute to talk steak. Now, the steak I like to use for my ultimate steak burger is a T-bone. Why a T-bone, you ask? Because it's two steaks in one. You got a strip right here and a fillet right here. That's like the best of both worlds. And look at that marbling. Look at it. It's freaking amazing. You know, use whatever steak you want. If you're a sirloin fan, use a sirloin. If you're a ribeye fan, yeah, use a ribeye. If you like stewed meat, don't use stew meat because that's disgusting. That's disgusting for a burger. What are you thinking? If you want to go all out and go make a filet burger, make a filet burger. I'm not going to stop you. But just use the steak that you like. I like to use a steak with a good marbling of fat so that you can ensure it's going to have a nice flavor. And really, at that point, you can't lose. So let's go make a burger. right, well that's all I have time for this week. Thanks for stopping by on the Big 50, huh? A lot of fun, eh? Alright, you guys are probably downstairs cooking the burger. Well, if anybody's still left, make sure you hit that like button. It's really, really important. You know, if you found the video useful, feel free to share it, because it does help this channel grow and reach new audiences. You know, if you really like the episode, that subscribe button down there somewhere. Don't forget to click the little bell so you get notifications each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss this phase, or the food. See you guys next week where I'm making something equally good. Alright, thanks for stopping by. Happy 50, huh? It was good. It was a good episode. I'm pumped about it. It's really awkward now. Roll the credits.